Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair review. In today's video, we'll be using two Mango Sisters products. They sent me two products to try out and show to you guys. So I'm coming to you with my hair completely naked. I don't have anything in my hair. It's freshly washed. It's very soft. I'm going to give you guys a texture shot here so you can see exactly how my hair looks prior to adding the product. So yeah, back to these products. These are the owners. Y'all, they are 4 and 8 years old. I think that is just so adorable. So this came on the back of the little postcard to me. Their mom is actually the owner of Virgin Hair Fantasy, if you guys are familiar with them. They do like the lace wigs, very popular on Instagram. So, I wanted my hair to be in its natural state so that I could really see how these products would work with my hair. They sent me the hair softener and they sent me the moisturizing oil. Both of these are vegan products and they are also paraben free. So we're gonna see how this goes. So with the hair softener, I take it that you apply this product. Did they give me any directions? Okay, they said directions: apply from scalp to ends, leave on up to 15 to 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly, follow with leave-in protectant. And then this one says apply to damp hair prior to styling or use for second-day hair revitalization. Use a small amount to add glass-like shine to finish styles. See, I was not... That means that I styled my hair already. I needed to apply this product. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add this and we're gonna leave it on 15 to 30 minutes. And we're gonna come back after I rinse it and we're gonna see how my hair looks after that, okay? And I'm just twisting it because I'm gonna leave it in for 15 to 30 minutes as directed. On the bottle, it didn't specify whether your hair had to be dry or how to use it per se. So hopefully this works for me. And they'll let me know if I did it incorrect. But yeah, so I'm going through my hair and I'm just adding this product from scalp to ends. I made sure to really focus on my ends because my ends are actually my problem area. I get a lot of tangles toward the end of my hair, not so much the roots. And I just went through my whole entire head, applied this product, combed it through. I could feel the product on my hair. I said it was thick. You know, it was thin when you put it throughout your hair. It's as if you're using a moisturizer. But then toward the end, I could really feel the product on the hair. So I was like, okay, so it's somewhat similar to a deep conditioning as well. I'm not sure. But I'm really eager to see the results. Okay guys, so the direction says, quench thirsty hair with this luxurious hair softener, powerful strand guard complex, preserves and protects, a multitude of deep penetrating peptides, strengthen the hair shaft, replenishing the appearance of youthful hair, vitamins and minerals smooth and seal the cuticle to lock and shine. The directions were to apply from scalp to ends, leave on up to 15 to 30 minutes, and rinse thoroughly, and follow up with the leave-in protectant. So, I just want to let you guys know that I had washed my hair previously, and I had conditioned it, so therefore my hair was detangled because I always detangle my hair during that process. So it wasn't hard for me to, you know, detangle or really get the product through. My hair is not completely dry, even though it looks like it in certain sections. It's still a little damp, which also made it easy for me when I was applying this product. But I would say, we'll just see how the product does when you wash it out, you know. While applying it, it did make my hair feel as if it was drying quicker. But I can feel the product on my hair, so I know it's in there. and I'm excited to see how it looks, you know, once I wash it out. Staying in from 15 to 30 minutes, like, I'm just wondering if it would have worked a lot better if my hair was damp, but it doesn't say you have to apply it to wet hair. So if I don't do this correct, then, you know, you'll see this product again for sure, and we'll be using it again until we figure it out and figure out which one works best. I will say I would like a bigger bottle. I'm so heavy-handed with products. I like big bottles. And I can't wait to use this. This kind of reminds me of, well, it makes me think of like a natural version of the Chi Silk Infusion because it has the heat wave technology. And it says that it treats and conditions hair while reducing drying time. Treats and conditions hair well. Okay, I may want to do a blowout look with it. Apply to damp hair. See, this one says apply to damp hair prior to styling or use for second day hair revitalization. Okay, use a small amount to add glass-like shine to finished styles. So my question is, would I use someone else's product with this, or would this be the actual styler? That's what I always try to figure out when I'm using products, like how would I incorporate this into my hair regimen? But I'm just gonna use these products. I was really hoping this was a moisturizer and that this one was, you know, so I could do the lock method. But you actually do this one during the process of washing and conditioning your hair, almost like a deep conditioner, because it does the deep penetrating, strengthen your hair and everything. So it's still a really good product because it's like a deep conditioner. And then you have this, which is like sealing in the oil as well as protecting your hair from heat damage. So we're going to use these two products and we're going to make it work. And I guess I'll come to you guys in 15 to 30 minutes and we'll get this thing on and popping. Okay guys, so I just washed everything out of my head and threw a t-shirt on my head. And as much as I really would love to, you know, do a blowout style and everything, I really can't do that right now. Ooh. Now look at how it looks. So I just washed out the hair softener. Whenever I was washing it out, like I could feel how soft my hair I could feel how soft it felt as I was washing out the product in the sink. So yeah, I'm going to use some of this oil now because we have to use this while our hair is still damp. Just put a tad bit in my hand and I'm going to rub this throughout my hair. And they said this product cuts back on drying time. Cuts down on drying time. So guys, this is how my hair looks now. My hair feels extremely soft, y'all. Like it's very soft. So guys, even though my hair was extremely soft, I still needed to add a moisturizer. So I went through and added a moisturizer of my own in sections, and I added the moisturizing oil behind it. And I would just, you know, run my fingers down it
to basically define some of the curls. I wasn't really going for a defined curl because I already knew that I would be styling, but I just wanted to make sure that I really worked the product into my hair. So that's what you guys will see me doing here, and then we'll move into styling. Okay guys, so I'm going to be totally honest with you and let you know that I tried a style prior to this, but it was a fail. So therefore, I had to come up with something else. And by the time I came up with something else, my hair had dried. So we're working with dry hair at the moment. It's not completely dry, but it's pretty much dry. And I'm absolutely nailing it, as you can see. My fingers aren't getting stuck. My hair has a whole lot of elasticity, you know, it's working for me. So I'd say this is a great product, but I'll let you guys hear more within the video. But I just had to let you guys know why my hair went from being moisturized and kind of damp to dry. Continue watching. Yes, I added water to the end of the ponytail just so that I could reactivate the products and finish up the style because I needed those curls to pop out again.
So guys, I'm pretty much testing my hair out on so many levels, being that these styles have been fails. And my hair still has yet to revert back to that really hard, you know, tangled state that it was in. Because even though, you know, it was very soft earlier, I know how my hair normally does. And considering I've been sitting here doing this for so long now, my hair would have turned into that kinky, would have gone into its kinky state. What I'm doing right now is just patting it to make it look like I have a bun. And this is going to be our look. See, natural hair, it's so cool. See what I just did? I didn't even put it into a bun. I literally scrunched it to death. Okay guys, so that wraps up my tutorial and also my review on these two products. I would say that these products do make the hair a lot more manageable. That's basically what I noticed with my hair. I feel like using the hair softener, it really keeps the hair from really drying out once you've started your styling process. And I feel like this just, it moisturizes and it just really seals in the oils. I do the lock method regularly, so, you know, I kind of know what to look for. Like when I was doing my braids, for one, as I pointed out, my hair did not get extremely, you know, kinky or just really tight. It's kind of as if it was holding all of that moisture and I was still able to really pull each piece. And I noticed even when I would pull certain pieces, like I would hear the hair. It's almost like comparing a rubber band to how you would normally break a piece of hair. You know the difference when you have that elasticity. So yeah, that's pretty much what I noticed. I will be using these products, so you guys will be seeing them again. I wish we had bigger bottles. But yeah, I will be using these products because I feel like this could also help someone who's trying to grow their hair out to keep from breaking so much of it off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you so much to Two Mango Sisters for sending me these products to try out. I'm so happy to add them to my collection and I will be using them on future wash days the correct way. If you guys are interested, please check out their Instagram at Two Mango Sisters and purchase. They don't have a website yet, but I'm pretty sure it's coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.